just like finding something that just really brings you joy, and it's just the simple thing of I'm doing this because it brings me joy. Hey guys, Andriana here with another video. Let's just get into this, okay? I have recently picked up roller skating. I did do skating in the past, like as a kid. I did ice skating because Canadian. It's just part of the gig, it's part of the experience. And I recently picked up like the 4 wheels roller skating. I did rollerblading as well as a kid, but I've been so excited to pick up this new hobby and been able to just learn and grow and do different things within it and learn like new tricks and stuff like that. I get so excited when I learn something new and I love it. It's just so fun. And I feel, call me crazy. I mean, you can, I don't really care. But once I started doing roller skating, it really just like, I don't know, give me a sense of calm. It's giving me a sense of purpose, and it's giving me a sense of just like achievement. So number one, okay, calm. One, it's just like a really good physical workout. So anytime I finish it or when I'm doing it, I just feel so good after. Like I got a really good workout, I got outside, I just rolled around, I listened to music, you just get in the vibe, get in the mood, and you just feel so good during and after. So that's why it really just brings me a sense of calm, and it just, the purpose and achievement that comes with it, it's just, you know, just looking at the video that I made on my first day and just like my Bambi like legs of just like unsureness and just remembering just how uncomfortable it was, you know, getting onto these skates and standing up on them on that first day, and then even flashing forward to a week in, and it's like you're getting a little bit more confident, you're able to go forward pretty well, you know, getting good at standing on one leg, and just things that, you know, I might have dabbled in when I was younger or when I went to the roller skating place, you know, as a kid for birthday parties and stuff, and things that you were never able to do, or you remember you looked up to people that were just doing the coolest things. And now, like, even just a week in, I'm like, oh snap, are you one of those people now? Are you the new queen bee?
Was I the new queen bee?
And just like seeing my growth in a week, I'm just like, this is crazy. And I've loved just taking videos and keeping track, because it just reminds me of like where I started, and from like my first like goofy video on Instagram when I just got them to even now or this week of like been practicing turns and going backwards and going frontwards to backwards and moonwalking and just like doing cool things that I like never thought I would do or never thought I'd be able to do. And you know, I'm not doing this to monetize it. I'm not doing this to like ever make money from this thing. I mean, it could happen one day, who knows where the world will take you, but it's just like for the simple fact of just pure joy. And I forgot what that felt like for so long, because all of my hobbies have started or have eventually become monetized in some type of way, or have, you know, I put pressure on myself to monetize it. Maybe like writing, I've always loved doing, and then, you know, I worked as a blog writer, I've worked as a freelance writer, and it's become a part of my current job in a lot of different ways. Obviously I do copy on my site, but I also do write ads and write different content for my job and emails and things like that, and marketing. So it's like my writing has become monetized, my first love. And even yoga, I did my yoga teacher training, and then, you know, I teach yoga, and I also, you know, have my meditations on this channel and other places. Hope to expand eventually, but it's like things that I'd done for fun or for myself eventually became you know, monetize in some way. So just like the simple beauty of doing an activity like roller skating or even hula hooping is something else that I really like doing just for the fun of it and for the same reasons of just jamming out to music, getting in the flow, losing track of time, getting your best life, but also getting like fit and sexy at the same time. Yes, just a simple like act of doing and just, you know, enjoying the process and enjoying the growth just for the sake of enjoying it and not for money making or monetizing or ever really caring to take it to that point and just doing it for the fun of it. Like, do we do things for the fun of it anymore? I really hope there's a lot of people that have been able to find some hobbies or new things to do in this COVID world, since we have so much more time to reflect and really think about ourselves and think about what makes us happy and think about, you know, what drives us or the things that spark joy in our hearts and our lives, around the people around us, you know, the people within your circle, and just like taking that time to reflect and figure that out and finding things that are simply for the purpose of sparking joy within you. You don't have to make money off of it. You don't have to hustle culture it. You don't have to, you know, do anything but show up and have fun. And let's all just find a hobby that makes us smile. I don't know what that was, but I didn't know how else to end this video. So that exists in this universe. So until next time, please like, comment, subscribe. I know you hear it everywhere. This is why I put it at the end, because I know how it be. But if you do want more content and just to support this channel, to support, you know, the things that I do for fun, then please continue to spread love in the comments, spread love out into the world, and spark joy in any way you can, especially in this COVID world. Thank you so much for tuning in.